Hello everyone, my name's Aaron and I'm a purchasing manager for a furniture company. And today I'm so excited because we get to see a Chinese hardware manufacturing company for a German brand. So let's go check it out, follow me. Welcome to the TALLSEN Exhibition Hall. All the furniture, hardware, accessories you may need are right here. TALLSEN products are certified by the European SGS testing system. Why don't we go check out the quality of their products with our very own eyes? TALLSEN products follow the high standards of German quality so that they can ensure their product reliability and their long service life. They have many high precision equipment test machines, as you can see, but very specifically, they have a room for the salt spray test. As you can see and hear, TALLSEN has several fully automated punch press workshops. TALLSEN has really satisfied us with all their products made in China, but with German craftsmanship. That is why we have been in business with them for so many years. In the future, we hope to see TALLSEN products all over the world.